Work with me, guys. As a trader, you already know one of the key vital points of using any exchange is security, right? So I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use Bitbaby and how to trade profitably in the long run. Stick around to the end of this video. Let's go on the ride. Welcome to Bitbaby, amazing platform. Now we're going to run a quick analysis on several pairs, and I will show you how to trade them live here on bitbaby.com, right? So wherever country you are, whether you're in the UK or the US, Bitbaby works swiftly. And for my actual traders here in Nigeria, you can actually use this for your futures and sports. Of course, you can buy crypto directly, just do a lot of things. Now, I'm going to actually fund my wallet now with as low as $250. I funded it, so I will just be taking you through the entire platform step by step. Now, here on the sports section, you can see that we have different assets, different pairs, over 400 on sports. I think over 350 on futures, right? So just take the drop down menu, and you're going to see all the pairs, right, on USDT. A lot of them, very many. You see all of them. Select the pair you want to trade. As easy as that. Select the pair you want to trade, and then you can choose to use either limit or market order to initiate that particular trade. You know me very well, you've been following me, you know I love the limit order a lot. I like to buy low and sell high. So I'll give you a good example on how you can actually take this trade. Let's do a quick analysis on and one feature I love a lot is that they have the trading view right here on the app. So you can as well use your trading view to do your stuff, do your analysis. Let me show you what I'm saying, guys. Let me choose another pair now. Let me choose another pair. I want to say dot. Yes, dot USDT. And if I go straight to the trading view aspect of it, right? If I go straight to trading view, you see what I have here. You see, right? All my indicators. I can remove these indicators if I want to. I remove all of them. I don't trade indicators, by the way. You know me very well. You know I don't trade indicators. Just select the time frame you want to see the analysis from. I want to see it from 1 hour time frame. Put it on 1 hour now. So you see it yourself, right? You see it yourself. Expand this. Start expanding this. Now, a quick one here is that I will be taking this trade from here because I can already spot that there's another block somewhere around here. But that's not going to be my entry. My entry is definitely going to be something more confirmed than that. So my entry would be confirmation on the lower time frame. I want to see something give me like this, maybe a break of structure, then to the upside. This is exactly what I want to see, right? I want to see this form on lower time frame. Let's say the 15 minutes time frame. I want to see this. I want to see this form, 15 minutes. And if I see it, I'm actually good to go. Good to go, good to go, good to go. So this is one idea that you can implement that works very, very well. And you can just put this in your trading arsenal. So let's go back to futures. Let's go back to futures right now. Let's see what we can do to, actually take a trade here, right? Let's see what we can do to take a trade on this asset. So the same dot is what I'm still talking about. Dot, that's polka dot. Polka dot, same dot. Now, we want to take a trade. I have $250 in this account. I just funded it yesterday to make this video. It's not big, just a small account. But I'm hoping to trade this account to maybe 1,005 for the ending of the month with these strategies that I'm showing you guys. All right, with these exact strategies I'm showing you. So come over here to market. How much percent do we want to use? You can put our TP and SL. Stop loss, where would the stop loss be? The stop loss will be somewhere around there. But remember guys, real quick, yeah? Remember, on the 15 minutes, do we have a confirmation? Let's check. If there's no confirmation, then we cannot actually enter this trade. Do we have a confirmation on that? No, I'm not seeing any confirmation yet. This is my range. I want to see price break this structure. I want to see price break this structure to the upside. And then give me something of this nature. This is what I want to see, guys. I want to see this form here, because the idea behind this trade is that we are going to the upside. We are going to clear out the next draw on liquidity, which is on the 4-hour time frame. Let me show you guys. Get my liquidity cost. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Get it. Don't snooze. Don't slack. All right. So here's the draw on liquidity. Here's the draw on liquidity. And price is seeking to grab this liquidity to the upside. Seeking to grab this liquidity and take out price. That's what we want to do. So we want to see this happening here. Already we have tapped into what? Our order block. So any moment from now, we should be anticipating a move to the upside. Then we just drag here, put your TPSL, and then confirm this trade. So sad I've not gotten my confirmation yet. I would have taken this trade with you guys. But anyway, this is how you trade on Bitbaby. Fund your account, fund your wallet, trade with me. Links are going to be in the description of this video. And we can actually do a lot more than what we are doing right now. Peace out, one love. Stay blessed, stay good. Trade with MJ Crypto. Let's make money together.